If you need to add any swagger to your home or office, Color Cord Company's pendant swag hooks are the perfect product for you. Each T swag hook comes with a back plate, a T-hook, an anchor, a screw, and an Allen key. And our T-swag hooks are available in 6 different finishes. When mounting the swag hooks on drywall, please be sure to use the included anchor. Hammer the anchor into your ceiling or wall until it reaches the threaded portion of the anchor. Then with a screwdriver, twist the rest of the anchor into your ceiling or wall. The anchor should be flush with the surface. Next, take the back plate and the screw and mount the back plate to your ceiling or wall by inserting the screw into the anchor. Each swag hook design features a mini set screw to secure the swag hook to the back plate. When threading the swag hook onto the back plate, make sure that the set screw is fully loosened to avoid interference with the back plate threading. Then take your Allen wrench and secure the swag hook to the back plate. If you have any questions or concerns regarding our swag hooks or are curious to whether this product will work in your particular application, feel free to call us or reach out to us at info@colorcord.com.